Hello everybody, it is Jacob with Student Wellness, here to do a cooking video for this week. So today we are going to be making 3 ingredient pancakes today. Benefits of 3 ingredient pancakes, 3 ingredients, so super simple, really easy. These pancakes, the 3 ingredients are banana, eggs, and cinnamon. The eggs are going to have a lot of protein, so they're going to be pretty decent pancakes for you as well. So hopefully you enjoy the recipe. They're super good, and keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm just unwrapping this banana and I'm putting it in a bowl. Next thing is 2 eggs. So yeah, 1 banana, 2 eggs. I'm going to crack the eggs in there. Let's see if I can do one-handed crack on this one. That was pretty impressive, if you ask me. Okay, so we got our eggs and our banana in here. So next we're gonna add the cinnamon. The recipe I'm using calls for 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Honestly, I'm just gonna kinda guess. I really like cinnamon, so I'm probably going a little ham on it. So you're just gonna mix all this together and we'll be right back. So I've gone ahead and mixed the batter, and this is kind of what it looks like. It is kind of chunky, and that's totally okay. It's still gonna cook and taste delicious and everything. It probably would have helped if I had used a little bit more of a ripe banana, because that would have been a little easier to mash, but that's okay. And I know I said these were 3 ingredient pancakes. I'm gonna use a little secret 4th ingredient, so don't tell anyone. But I just like to add in about a tablespoon of flour just to kind of really get the batter to a little bit more of a pancakey type consistency. Okay, so I'm heating up a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Even though this is non-stick, I still sprayed it with a little bit of Pam. So I'm just going to pour the batter, and you can pour it if you're using a bowl that can pour. You can, spoon it, but just gonna make some shapes. Ooh. So yeah, you don't want to crowd your pan. I'll probably just do these 3. Okay, so it has been about 1.5 minutes. So I'm thinking that these guys are ready to flip now. So let's see. Ooh. Okay, that's looking pretty good actually. Let's try this. But yeah, I'm gonna probably let it cook for like another minute-ish on this side. They're looking pretty good. And then yeah, with my leftover batter, I can just kind of do the same thing, pour a little shape on, and let it cook. So we're back. I have cooked the pancakes. Do a little close-up here. They are looking pretty good. They look a lot like regular pancakes. They taste like banana, because that's kind of the main ingredient that we're using. And the texture is pretty spongy. Not like a regular pancake texture, but they're still super delicious. My personal favorite way to eat these, so I got here some peanut butter. So I'm gonna put a little bit of peanut butter on top, and then some syrup. Pancakes and syrup, what greater combination is there? So I'm just gonna do a little bit of that. So go ahead and try these. Tag Student Wellness, post some pics of you making these pancakes. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.